In this video I'll show you how you can play the song Silent Night on piano. We start with the pointer on the G. I now show you small practice parts so that you can pause the video and repeat each part. The first one is G, A, G, E. The second part is exactly the same. G, A, G, E. For the third practice part, we bring the pinky to the D and play D, D, B, C, C, G. For the fourth practice part, we bring the middle finger to the A and play A, C, B, A, G, A, G, E. The fifth practice part is exactly the same. A, C, B, A, G, A, G, E. For the sixth practice part, we bring the middle finger to the D and then play D, D, F, D, B, C, E. And for the seventh practice part, we bring the pinky to the C and play C, G, E. Then we shrink our hand together so that the pinky's on the G, and then we play G, F, D, C. In all together, sounds like this. If you now want to learn more, click here for your first real piano lesson.